खूब दुखाची गजाल आमकां कळोन आयला की द एड्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंट in connivance with PWD department has opened the roofs of 35 schools all across the state. And हे जावपाचें कारण जेन्ना हे रूफ डॅमेज आशिल्ले आनी हो प्रश्न आमी विधानसभेन खूब उलयले की बिल्डिंग अनसेफ आहाय भुरग्यांचो. वाय डू वी प्ले विथ द लायव्स ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन, खास करून प्रायमरी चिल्ड्रन. आनी इट इज शॉकिंग टू सी that the PWD has opened these roofs on the 15th of May and they have waited for the last minute. Whether there is corruption is a big question mark. This government talks about the national education policy and implementation, but we have a crumbling infrastructure. Goyant infrastructure in the health sector, all the sectors have failed. And khas karun, why is this injustice to the children? Are you privatizing plans to this primary high school? Why are we playing with the lives of the children? Immediately the education department has to intervene. One has happened in my constituency in Bali. There are several schools in Penne, there are schools in Taligaon, there are schools all across the state. Roofs have been opened, damages to books, infrastructure like cupboard and all these things. And Sarkar, why is it waiting for the last minute? This should not happen. And people should be held accountable. Who is responsible for the losses? And khas karun burgyancho safety. We should be prepared. Ek oros hune amka gomon eta education department wrote to PWD. So what failed? And why didn't people come on board at the start? And Jenna holiday ashili, why was this not done? And immediately these schools need to be refurbished. The education department needs to work in the interest of the small children.